There you are. She was really nice, wasn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good,
Love a generic. That's slow. What floor is it?
We're on 1A, wouldn't it?
Digital advanced. Very short that was.
Door opening.
Still a digital advanced. Ecodisc. Ecodisc. Best lift here. Let's go back up to 0. Close the door. The door close button works. Let's go back up. Best lift here. That's it. Oh, schindler.
Concourse.
Here we are.
Doors opening.
Very bit slow. Never seen this hidden tip-to-way lift. I think this must be a thyssen. It's a bit bumpy. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. God, that is horrible. My favourite lift.
Level 2, Claw Learning Centre and Gallery.
Yeah. Let's go down to 0. Schindler 3300.
Ground floor, Discover Greenwich.
Here we are. Oh, why did it close the door on me? And it's an ecodisc! On the inside, that is an ecodisc. That is just well surprising. You're outside of such a nerd, you come in and it's an ecodisc. That's really good. Okay, here we are, G. Let's go down back to M. That's just surprising, this is. Very surprising. How can it be an ecodisc? This used to be an Otis 2000. I remember riding with my mum. On test. There's some in service. I've been on 3 of them. He's going.